Honda Ridgeline refusing to turn on? Don't panic. Here's what you need to know. First, check your key fob. A weak battery in your fob is the #1 reason the push button might not work. Try holding the fob right next to the start button, or use your backup fob if you have one. Next, make sure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. The Ridgeline start system won't work unless it senses your foot on the brake. If you're still stuck, check your car's battery. A dead or weak battery means nothing will start, not even the lights or dashboard. If things look dim or silent, you might need a jump. Also, check if you accidentally left the car in gear. The push-button system only works when the transmission is in park or neutral. And finally, look for error messages on your dashboard. Sometimes the Ridgeline will tell you exactly what's wrong, like key not detected or brake pedal not pressed. If none of these quick checks work, it's probably time to call your dealer or a trusted mechanic. Remember, most push-button start problems are simple fixes. Stay calm, and you'll be back on the road in no time.